Okay, so this is Ringmaster Court, and honestly, eh, I just came across something that I found really funny. Anyway, this is Dr. Mike, and this is some random bird seagull thing. Anyway, here we go.
No, 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 no.
Ta-da! I don't know why, but that's hilarious to me. For further proof?
No, 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 no.
I hope that both of these YouTubers watch this video, and one of them's I don't know, at least one of them sees the humor in it. Anyway, that's about it. See you next time.